We'll guide you through how to cite ChatGPT correctly for your work. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the ChatGPT website on your desktop and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the chat interface, locate and select the conversation you wish to cite. You need to copy the specific exchange or the entire conversation you want to reference. Next, open your document where you're compiling your citations. The key here is to format the citation properly, which can vary depending on the citation style you're using. For APA, you would format it as follows. Open with the author, which is OpenAI in this case, followed by the year of the chat in parentheses. Example, OpenAI. Then, the year of interaction in parentheses, like 2025. After that, you can insert the title or a brief description of the chat in italics if your style guide requires it. Next, indicate ChatGPT in brackets, followed by the URL of the ChatGPT site where the conversation took place. For a more detailed citation, if your style guide allows, you can include a retrieval date, which is the date you accessed the chat. Always check your specific style guide for any additional requirements or variations. If you're using other styles like MLA or Chicago, the format will differ slightly. Remember, the main goal is to provide enough information so others can find the original source. It's essential to follow these guidelines to maintain academic integrity and give proper credit. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.